Greasy foods are not only found at fast food joints but also in workplaces, restaurants, schools, and even your home. Most foods that are fried or cooked with excess oils are considered greasy. They include French fries, potato chips, deep dish pizzas, onion rings, cheeseburgers, and donuts. These items tend to be high in calories, fat, salt, and refined carbs but low in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. While they can be an enjoyable treat on special occasions, greasy foods can negatively affect your body and health in both the short and long term. They cause bloating, stomach pain, and diarrhea. Among the macronutrients, carbs, fat, and protein, fat is the most slowly digested. Because greasy foods contain high amounts of fat, they slow stomach emptying. In turn, food spends more time in your stomach, which can cause bloating, nausea, and stomach pain. In people with digestive complaints, such as irritable bowel syndrome, chronic pancreatitis, or a stomach bug, high levels of fatty foods may trigger stomach pain, cramping, and diarrhea. Greasy foods are known to harm the healthy bacteria that live in your gut. A high-fat diet, such as one rich in greasy foods, may damage your gut microbiome by increasing the number of unhealthy gut bacteria and decreasing the number of healthy ones. These changes may be associated with obesity and other chronic illnesses, such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and Parkinson's disease. All the same, further research on diet and gut health is needed. May lead to weight gain and obesity. Greasy foods, which are cooked in large amounts of fat, may cause weight gain due to their high calorie count. For example, a small baked potato contains 93 calories and 0.1 grams of fat, while the same amount of French fries packs 312 calories and 15 grams of fat. Observational studies link a high intake of fried and fast foods to increased rates of weight gain and obesity. Obesity is associated with many negative health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, stroke, and certain cancers. In particular, a high intake of trans fat may cause weight gain, may increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Greasy foods have several negative effects on heart health. For example, fried foods have been shown to increase blood pressure, lower HDL cholesterol, and lead to weight gain and obesity, all of which are associated with heart disease. For example, research reveals that potato chips increase inflammation and may contribute to heart disease. Furthermore, your risk of heart disease may be linked to how frequently you eat fried foods, may raise your risk of diabetes. Greasy foods may increase your risk of type 2 diabetes. Consuming fast food, which includes not only greasy foods but also sugary drinks, leads to high calorie intake, weight gain, poor blood sugar control, and increased inflammation. In turn, these factors boost your risk of type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome, a group of conditions that includes obesity, high blood pressure, and high blood sugar. May cause acne. Many people link greasy foods to breakouts and acne. In fact, studies associate the Western diet, which is rich in refined carbs, fast food, and greasy items, with acne. A study in over 5,000 Chinese teenagers found that regularly eating fried foods increases the risk of acne by 17%. What's more, another study in 2,300 Turkish teenagers revealed that eating greasy items like sausages and burgers increased acne risk by 24%. However, the exact mechanism behind this effect remains unclear. Some researchers propose that poor diet can affect gene expression and alter hormone levels in a way that promotes acne. May impair brain function. A diet rich in greasy, fatty foods may cause problems with brain function. The weight gain, high blood pressure, and metabolic syndrome linked to greasy foods are also associated with damage to your brain's structure, tissues, and activity. Two large studies in 5,083 and 18,080 people, respectively, tied diets high in greasy and fried foods to a decline in learning ability and memory, as well as an increase in inflammation. Additionally, diets high in trans fats have been linked to impairments in brain function.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.